Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this blanket. I will call it like a world's easiest blanket ever, cause it's like that. You will see it the video. And for this one I use this yarn, Utopia Minique. One ball of yarn is 140 meters. It's really short, so I use more than 4 balls. That's the 5th ball of yarn. 100 grams, one of them. And it recommends 4mm crochet hook, but I use 7mm and 6.5mm for this edge. I want to make it nice and loosey, and it's turn out like that with 7mm crochet hook. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question about this, please leave comments below, and if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. I will start with a slip knot. And chain 81. You can start with a odd number. You can calculate your own chains. It's not too important. Hi. Just sit. Okay. He wants some attention. I want to show you. Okay. Are you happy? Well, I can keep making, I hope. When I made 8 chains, it's like 80 centimeters. So that's good for me. 81 chains, sorry. I will make my chains and turn. I complete 81 chains. Now I will turn my chains like that. You see these back loops. I will make my single crochets and double crochets, insert here. Skip this first one. Into the next one, insert your hook without yarning over. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, skip this first one. Into the second loop, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Into that next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook here, yarn over and pull it, yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through from second 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Into the next stitch, we will make a single crochet. Into the next one, make a double crochet. You see, that's so easy. Make a single crochet and double crochet. Single, double. We will will just repeat these 2 stitches again and again. Go ahead and finish this row like that. I'm at the end and I will finish with double crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now you see I have a double crochet here, then I have a single crochet, then double and single. Now I will put a single crochet into double crochet stitch, a double crochet into single crochet stitch. That's all about this stitch. Put a single crochet here, yarn over into the next stitch, put a double, a single, a double, a single and a double. I'll see you at the end of the row again. I made my last single crochet and last double crochet into here. Chain 1, turn, and again start with single crochet, then double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. I will just keep making like that for how many rows, I'm not sure, but I will make it 80 centimeters and 80 centimeters long. So go ahead and make it as you want. Then we will make the edging. I made it 80 inches long and turned the right side of my work. How could we understand it if we're asking this? This tail is on the left, and if it's on the left, that means you are at the right side of your work. Okay? You can understand just by looking here too, if you are not a new beginner. Now, chain 1. Now I will start to make single crochets. I will only make single crochets. We are at the edge now. Put 1 single crochet for all the stitches. I'll see you at the corner. I'm at the corner. Into that last stitch I will put 1, 2 and 3 single crochet here. Now you see we don't have any stitches here. I will put 1 single crochet around this double crochet row and 1 single crochet around single crochet row. One around double crochet row and into that single crochet row. That's double crochet and that's single crochet. One for here, one for here. Actually you can put 2 around this double crochet, but I think it's a little too crowded if we make it like that. That looks good, so I will make it like that. Just put 1 single crochet for 1 stitch, sorry, 1 row, and I will complete this row like that. Go ahead and complete this row. When you reach this corner here, put 3 single crochet into that corner stitch. You have this chain stitches here, put 1 single crochet for each one. Into that last stitch put 3 single crochet, and here put 1 single crochet for every row. Finish this row like that. I'll see you at the end. I'm at the end. I made a single crochet here, and into that first stitch I will make 1, 2 single crochet and join from this first one. I will change my crochet hook now. Make a slip stitch, make 1 more slip stitch, chain 1 and put a single crochet here. That's our last row. I start from here and I will make shells. I'll make my last shell here. So I made some slip stitches. You will see and understand what I mean. Now yarn over, skip 2 and into the third stitch. By the way, that's 6.5mm crochet hook. I'm not sure if I told this. Skip 2 into this third stitch, make a double crochet and make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet. Skip 2 into that third stitch, make a single crochet. One, 2 into the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet here. Skip 2, make a single crochet. Skip 2, make 5 double crochet. Skip 2, make a single crochet. Go ahead and finish this row, finish this side like that. I'll see you at the corner. I'm almost at the corner, but I don't have enough stitches here. Let me show you. If I make a single crochet here, I'll skip 2 and make a shell here, and skip 2, I'll be there. I want to make a shell here because I need more stitches. Here I will not skip 2, I will just skip 1 and make a single crochet here. Yarn over, again skip 1 and into the next stitch make a shell. Skip 1 and make a single crochet here. Now it's okay, I can skip 2 and make a shell here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This time I will make 7 double crochet. I hope you can understand here. If you have a little more or less stitch, you can make it like I do here. If you don't, there's no problem at all. I made 7 double crochets, turn, skip 2 and put a single crochet here. Skip 2, make 5 double crochets, skip 2, make a single crochet. Go ahead and turn around this blanket like that. When you reach the corner, you will make 7 double crochet. If you want, you can make 9 too, and you can make 7 here. It's up to you. I will make it like that. I'll see you at the end. That's the last one. Skip 2, insert here and make 7 double crochet. And join from this first stitch here, chain 1, cut the yarn. I will hide this tail. Turn the wrong side of your work. And that's it. That's the world's easiest blanket ever. I will call its name like that. I hope you like this tutorial. And if you make it, please share it with me too. Celine's Crochet is my Instagram and my Pinterest address. You can reach me there. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can leave comments. I really like to read your comments. And thanks for watching me. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.